Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Wix chat to your website in 2026. Want a built-in live chat on your Wix site? Wix chat is already there, so let's activate it just by following these few simple steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is to add the Wix chat. And to do that, you're going to go to the Wix.com's website by going to manage.wix.com, and then you're going to make sure to log in using your account credentials. Once you do that, you're going to go to the Wix dashboard and click on apps here in the left side. You're going to click on the apps right here. And then you're going to click the apps and add the Wix chat. Let's look for the Wix chat right here from the app markets. I'm going to type in Wix chat in the search corner. Let's look for this. Let's look for it in this search bar, Wix chat. And we're going to click on it. And then you're going to add the Wix chat. You're going to click on add to site. And you're going to wait for it to be added. Then you're going to click get started from the dashboard. After that, you're going to open the chat settings and set welcome message, availability hours, and notification alerts, as you can see here. Then you're going to choose the name. You're going to set the offline form, etc. As you can see, this is the chat right here for your website. It will appear like this, so you can customize it. And you can connect the inbox. You can install Wix Owner app and reply to messages on phone. And then in the final stage, you're going to publish. And you can publish your site, then set the chat live. And make sure to turn on notifications and set business hours correctly here in this section, and also test on mobile. And that's it. That's how you add Wix chat in 2026. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.